Welcome to NeoEnglish, the podcast where we help you speak English with confidence.
Today we have a fun and interesting topic, music. Specifically, we're talking about a recent article from Rolling Stone called 50 Terrible Songs on Great Albums.
That sounds exciting. The article talks about songs that are not so good, even though the rest of the album is amazing.
Exactly. Imagine you're listening to an album you love, and suddenly, one song is just bad. It feels strange, right?
Yes, the article says these bad songs happen for different reasons. Sometimes, the lead singer makes an unusual choice. Or maybe the song just doesn't fit with the rest of the album.
Right. Let's take an example. The Beatles are one of the greatest bands in history, but even they have a song or two that fans don't like as much.
Yes, the song Revolution 9 from their famous White Album is very different from their usual music. It's not a typical song, more like strange sounds and talking. Some people love it, but others think it's terrible.
That's a great example. Another one could be from Taylor Swift. Many love her albums, but sometimes, one song doesn't match her usual style.
I can see that, but that happens in all genres of music. Even legendary artists like Bob Dylan and Harry Styles have a song or two that fans skip.
That's true. Now let's look at some important vocabulary from today's topic.
Good idea. The first word is terrible. It means very bad. For example, this coffee tastes terrible or the weather is terrible today.
Another word is classic. A classic album means an album that is very good and remembered for a long time. For example, the movie is a classic, or this book is a classic novel.
Next, let's explain profound. In the article, it says some songs are profoundly bad. That means they are really, really bad. But profound can also mean deep or meaningful. Like, she had a profound idea, or that speech was profound.
Great explanation. And one last useful phrase. It almost feels like a sick joke. This means something is so bad that you can't believe it's real. For example, I studied all night, but the test was so hard, it felt like a sick joke.
These are great words and phrases to use in everyday English.
Yes. So today we talked about bad songs on great albums, and we learned new words like terrible, classic, profound, and phrases like sick joke.
That's right. Keep practicing, keep listening, and your English will improve every day.
Thanks for joining us on Neo English. Have a great day.